Right, 'cause Kinkajous sleep in the daytime.
So I'd better get home.
Uh-oh, that sounds like an animal in trouble.
That sounds like another Kinkajou.
Let's go find out why the Kinkajou is in trouble. Come on, amigos. Alicia, a Kinkajou is in trouble. Our special camera Click can help us find the Kinkajou. Say click. Say click. Take a pic. Say click. Take a pic. Soy click la cámara. I can take a pic. I can see and hear the animal in trouble. Zooming through the forest and out to the sea to find the animal. Just call on me. Say click. Take a pic. Hi, I'm Click the camera. We need to find the Kinkajou in trouble. The Kinkajou in trouble sounds like this. Squeak, squeak. Let's zoom through the forest and listen for the Kinkajou that goes squeak, squeak. Ribbit, ribbit. Does this sound like the Kinkajou in trouble? No, that's a red-eyed tree frog. Squawk, squawk. Does this sound like the Kinkajou in trouble? No, that's a scarlet macaque. Does this sound like the Kinkajou in trouble? Yes, that's it. You found the Kinkajou. To take a picture of the Kinkajou, say click. Got it. Now, you tell Diego the animal in trouble is a Kinkajou. What did you find? A Kinkajou?
That's my little Kinkajou. Why is he in trouble?
We've got to see more of the picture. We can do that if Click zooms out. Say zoom!
Oh no, my little Kinkajou has a beehive stuck to his head.
Let's zoom out even more to see how to get to little Kinkajou.